Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper on Friday July the 21st 2023, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, no, it's the edition of yesterday, Thursday, July the 20th 2023. I've already solved one puzzle, the letter Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The Jackson with 1 star cipher block, and the Sudoku with 2 stars. Well, not actually a 2 stars, because this one has 28 printed digits, one more than the 1 star puzzle. And for the 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, I think this should be a 0 stars, but we will see. I do not know. So this one will be 6790. All right, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 3 in this column, 3 in the first column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 place level 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 4 in this column, first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Need a 5 here, need a 5 there, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the third column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box, so 1 box left for the 1 in this row should be there, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 place left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay, cannot continue with the 2 now. 2, 2. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2, 5 should be here or there. Almost made a mistake. 5 here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And now I can continue with the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. Alright, and now 7, 9, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. Yeah, alright. Let me start with the 9. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the middle column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in that row. So the row between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this last column, 9 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. Alright, 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 8 and 1. 8 and 1. 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes at there. 8, okay. The 1 in the first column, the 1 in the second column. So the first column, third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, okay. Then, interesting. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in this box. Here, 1 in the last column, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the last column. So in the column between, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright, and now 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. From the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 6, and 4. Yeah, I need a 4. 4 in the last column. 4 in the column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 6, and we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes at there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. One box left in the this column for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us. 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, same numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing and a 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 5 goes there, finish in 10 minutes. Wow. Very quick to solve. 2 stars. Well, I think it's a 0 stars. A puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.